Hi guys, today we are going to be a botanist and study the inside of a flower. Wear your lab coats and let's head on to the lab. A flower consists of four whorls. The outer whorls are called the sepal and the petals. Let's first remove the petals and sepals. Now we can clearly see the inner whorls of the flower. The inner whorls consist of the stamen, which is the male part, and the pistil, which is the female part. The stamen has two parts, anthers and filaments. The anthers carry the pollen grain, which contains the male gametes. Anthers are held up by a thread-like part called a filament. The anthers are visible when the petals are open and the pollen grains are transported by wind, water or insects. The pistil has three parts, the stigma, style and the ovary. The stigma is the sticky surface at the top of the pistil. It traps and holds the pollen. The style is a tube-like structure that holds up the stigma. The style leads down to the ovary that contains the tiny bead-like structure called ovules. The female gametes are present in these ovules. If we cut open the ovary horizontally, we observe that the ovules are arranged in chambers within the ovary. The stamen and the pistil are responsible for the formation of seeds. During pollination, the pollen grain lands on the stigma and a thin tube called the pollen tube grows. This tube penetrates the stigma and extends through the style to reach the ovary. In the ovary, the male gametes are released and they fuse with the female gametes in the ovule. This process is called fertilization. After fertilization, the ovary swells and develops into a fruit and the ovules become seeds. I had so much fun being a botanist today. I hope you had fun too. See you next time.